Okay, so I'm here at the Home Depot. Now, this particular one is here at Coconut Creek, Florida. But I checked some of these prices online, and these are already reduced online too. So it looks like today Home Depot started to cut the Christmas decorations to 50%. And look at this, man. You got this 8-foot tall Santa that I thought was a little pricey at $2.99. Well, it wasn't too bad, but you know, look at that. It's down to $149 now. So it's 50% off right now. And this dude's gorgeous. That's one of the best ones I've seen. And then look at this reindeer here. They've had this one here the last 2 years. This is the standing reindeer. This one is down to $64.50. So I will put links to these in the video description below. And if I can, I'll put them in the view products button here on the lower left of your screen, if I can get it on there with the sale price. Sometimes they don't show up. And then this one here is a favorite of mine too, the 7.5-foot tall ornament stack. This thing is really cool looking. I've never seen anything like this here before. This was the first year they had it. And look, this one here is down to $99.50 from $199. Oh. And check this out, my friends. Yoda, he's down 50% off also. And so is everything else here on the Christmas decorations aisle. And here's all the decorations here. Everything here is 50% off. Even this last Christmas tree here, we got the 9-foot tall sparkling Amelia pine. This one, which I really like because it's got just a little bit of snow powder on it. This is down to $199 from $399. Cha-ching!